Getting you back-to-back updates coming in right now. The Delhi government has convened a meeting to address the rising pollution levels in the city, to be chaired by Environment Minister Gopal Rai at 12 noon at the Delhi Secretariat. The discussion will focus on pollution control measures and the strict implementation of GRAP Stage 4 as officials work to mitigate the worsening air quality. That is right. Big update coming in right now, viewers. Supreme Court has already gone ahead and wrapped the CAQM for delaying Stage 3 GRAP curbs as Delhi pollution is worsening. The court has said it proposes to direct the Stage 4 of GRAP will remain in place even if AQI goes below 400 level. Let's go to Priyanka joining us. Priyanka. Okay, we'll go to Priyanka. We'll try to connect to Priyanka in a short while from now. But as Priyanka will join us in a short while from now, Supreme Court hearing on Delhi pollution is continuing as air quality has gone to one of its worst levels. Supreme Court is hearing pleas. And amidst all this, Supreme Court has pulled up Delhi government over air pollution menace. And as that continues, viewers, we're seeing that at 12 o'clock, Environment Minister Gopal Rai will be holding a meeting to discuss pollution control measures and the strict implementation of GRAP Stage 4. All right, let's go straight across to my colleague joining us. Priyanka joining us. Priyanka, the Commission of Air Quality Management subcommittee has decided to implement Stage 4 of Graded Response Action Plan. So this is the Commission of Air Quality Management, CAQM, which has been right now wrapped by Supreme Court for not doing much to control the air quality. On the other hand, a meeting will be held in around noon today by the Environment Minister to understand how to tackle the situation. What are the latest coming in? Priyanka. All right, so two updates coming in right now. Supreme Court is pulling up the Delhi government on the worsening air quality. At the same time, a big meeting will be taking place today. A key meeting will be taking place today. This will be to address the rising pollution levels in the city, to be chaired by Environment Minister Gopal Rai at 12 noon at the Delhi Secretariat. The discussion will focus on pollution control measures and the strict implementation of GRAP Stage 4 as officials work to mitigate the worsening air quality. Okay, so this is a big update coming in right now. We'll try to go to Priyanka, who's at Vijay Chowk, and it's getting us all these top updates. So, as you can clearly see, as the Delhi pollution crisis is worsening and we are in the end of November, the month of November, and you can clearly see, viewers, if you stay in Delhi, how much of air pollution and smog is covering the city. At this point of time, Supreme Court hearing on plea regarding the enforcement of measures to combat pollution in Delhi is underway. Also, getting a reaction from Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, who has attempted to pass the buck even as the national capital grapples with the worsening air quality. Listen in.
बुजुर्ग सांस नहीं ले पा रहे हैं, हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हो रहे हैं, बच्चे सांस नहीं ले पा रहे हैं, छोटे छोटे बच्चों को सांस लेने के लिए स्टेरॉइड्स की जरूरत पड़ रही है, इनहेलर की जरूरत पड़ रही है. क्यों? इसलिए क्योंकि देश भर में पराली जल रही है. एक एक राज्य में, पंजाब, हरियाणा, मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, राजस्थान, आज हर जगह पराली जलाई जा रही है और केंद्र सरकार हाथ पे हाथ धरे बैठी हुई है. आज पूरे नॉर्थ इंडिया को एक मेडिकल इमरजेंसी में धकेल दिया गया है. चाहे दिल्ली हो, चाहे चंडीगढ़ हो, चाहे राजस्थान में जयपुर हो, बीकानेर हो, भोपाल हो, पटना हो, लखनऊ हो, आज देश भर में AQI वेरी पुअर, सिवियर प्लस, रोज सेंट्रल पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड रोज एक डेटा निकालता है.
Yes, let's go. Priyanka joining us live right now. Priyanka is joining us live. Okay, so Aam Aadmi Party blaming UP over rising air quality, bad air quality. Blame game has started already, Priyanka. At the same time, Supreme Court has pulled out the Delhi government over the worsening air quality. What is the latest coming in? And we can see you in Vijay Chowk and there's so much of smog behind you.
Absolutely, the conditions are severe. Even when we are reporting from the ground, it is quite difficult for us to even breathe and look because the eyes are itchy. It's a difficult condition for us to work here, given such a hazardous condition that is applying in the entire national capital region. And you can see right behind me this entire blanket of smog that has covered the Vijay Chowk area. Now, going forward, if we talk about the Supreme Court that has taken up this matter, well, the Supreme Court has once again pulled up the Aam Aadmi Party, the Delhi government in this case regarding the steps that the government has taken. The Supreme Court goes ahead and says, why was there a delay in, implementing the GRAP 3? The Supreme Court, on the other hand, did not question the implementation of GRAP 4, but it said there was a delay for the implementation of GRAP 3. On the other hand, the court has also said that they are proposed to pass an order that says the government will not go below the stage 3 without the permission of the court. And now even if the AQI goes below 450 stage, then GRAP 4 will continue. That's the order the Supreme Court proposes to pass. Now, if we talk about specifically about the Aam Aadmi Party, it has been blaming the other states for the condition of the national capital and have been passing the buck forever. We have seen in the past also that the Aam Aadmi Party has not taken any responsibility on its own and rather blaming states like Uttar Pradesh and Haryana for the conditions that the people in the national capital have to reel under. Yes, there was a delay in implementation of GRAP 3 that the Supreme Court has pulled up the Aam Aadmi Party for, as well as the commission that it was talking about. The Supreme Court says that there could not be any chances that were being taken in a lighter vein. Can anybody rely on the IMD department? That is what the Supreme Court has said. The moment AQI crosses 401 stage 3 has to be invoked. It happened on the 13th. So here the Supreme Court is saying that after 3 days of waiting, GRAP 3 was imposed. And why was there a delay in imposing the GRAP 3 when the AQI level had already surpassed 400 mark? So that is the latest that we are getting in terms of the court hearing when it comes to the pollution. But at the end of the day, it is the people of the national capital and the NCR region who are struggling to breathe in this toxic weather, in this gas chamber-like situation that the national capital is reeling under.
Right. Okay. Thank you for joining us, Priyanka. We will be coming back to you as we track all the top updates coming in from the national capital, especially when it comes to air pollution and Supreme Court hearing. Please own that.